You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. Seafarer, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me. And you must be mistaken if you think you're truly free.
Hey guys, and welcome back to Half Baked Hair Reviews. I'm Angelique. If you're returning, as always, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you're new to this channel, just make sure you smash that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload old units, new units, everyday slays, wig updates, and everything in between. So today, the unit that I'm going to be reviewing for you is this gorgeous one that's on my head. This is definitely an old one that I haven't seen any reviews for, so I figured I'd pick it up and review it for you guys. So if you're interested in seeing the construction of this unit and the ways that I styled it, just stay tuned for this video.
Ain't nobody fucking with my vibes. On the highs, on the lows. Take a couple hits of my supply. I wanna ride on my glow. Fucking with me, I'm feeling that having a good time, but we can ride out. With my eyes so low and a dry mouth, and my ride so low, what applies now? Make a million, no talk, we'll get hot now. Fucking with me if you ain't, don't talk. One of the bitch you are, see, don't talk. One of the snitch you are, he be woke. Son of a bitch, I'm on, see me float. Fucking with this you want. Young homie, let it bang, y'all know. When I come in, y'all can thank my flow. Sucking on the fucking came on hoes. You think you're fucking with me, lame, I don't. I've been looking at you, thank y'all though. I've been flowing with the greats, I know. They call me Colorz in my gang, y'all know. I made the beat and I can sing my flow. Go roll it, homie, I'll get high. Don't go until you smoke, my guy. Take a toke and get focused on my lines. We be potent, I'm floating a fine line. Take a toke, but it's dope and it's piling. Wanna smoke with the goat with the projects. 100 spokes on the road, it's a problem. Ain't history in the progress, yeah. With my vibes on the highs, on the lows. Take a couple hits of my supply. I wanna ride on my glow. Fucking with me, I've been on a
Twisted voices inside in my head. It's clear that my choices when I look inside. The fear of the voices and all they embed. Appear cavalier, but when they're in they bed. Embracing the darkness that weighs down like lead as they chasing the hardest can find it dead. Just to get by, just to get high, just to get fly. This is my time, don't block my shine. I've been on my grind, get money on the mind. Building in silence, this is my life. I've been holding my tongue in the void in the sky. Cause my mind is a riot, inside it the fire that's burning inside me like things I desire. What do I require? The things I inspire. Cause I sat in darkness for too long to squire. I'm all that's left in this life I inquire. Been singing through wires and pain in the brain. Born to conspire, how you entertain. Feeling the burn as the yearning remains. We're not the same, you're in a lane. I'm in my own cause I travel in vain. Nothing to lose, I'm consumed by my gains. Ain't no bluff and I choose to
nobody fucking with my vibes. On the highs, on the lows. Take a couple hits of my supply. I wanna ride on my glow. Fucking with me, I've been on a
You keep on your boat. You and I just spending my mode. Seafarer, how do you remain afloat? Cities keep burning, the smoke fills our throats.
Wading in the water, I've been drifting out to sea. You see my vibrancy's been alive within me, floating in the day. But highs inside these eyes, I seem to glisten while they wait. Losing sleep as this reality is taking over me.
Okay, so I am wearing this unit in the style Freetress Equal Premium Whole Lace PL01. This is in the color number 2, and this is what the stock card looks like. So this one does come with baby hairs. It is not pre-plucked just because, like I said, it's an older unit. This is maybe like a year old, so you do get sort of that dense hairline situation going on. The hairline is pretty dense, so I probably would just wear the hair down to sort of just mask that, because it was just definitely a little bit too dense for my liking. You definitely can go in and pre-pluck it if you want to, but that is just not all of the work that I was once put into this one. The parting space only goes from here to here. This definitely is not big head friendly at all whatsoever. I have not adjusted the straps in any way, shape, or form, and it's fitting my head ridiculously snug. So if you do have a bigger size head, this one will not be for you. The texture on this is definitely more along the lines of Silky. It's really soft, but it definitely is more of a Silky than a Yaki, so definitely keep that in mind. The length on it is very natural. It comes just below my boobs, and I'm 5'3" for reference. I really like the density. The density is between, I want to say, 130 and 150%, so it's definitely that really natural density. The top was pretty humpy when I did initially take it out of the box, so I did just go in with my flat iron and just flatten out that hump action, and I feel like it's pretty good. So let me just give you a 360 to show you what it's looking like. So I definitely would also consider this a beginner friendly unit just because I didn't have to put too much work into it. The bulk amount of the time I probably spent was just laying the baby hairs down because they were kind of hard with this unit. They kept sort of sticking up. So I just went in with my foaming mousse, my edge booster, as well as my ORS olive oil super hold spray, and I feel like it's good to go. I didn't wrap it for super long, maybe only like 10-15 minutes, and I think it's good to go. All in all, I really do think this is a cute unit, but I could definitely see why people would stray away from this, just because I know with all the newer units that are coming out with all the pre-plucked frontals and the work that you don't have to put in, that definitely would be a downside for this unit because you would have to put that work in to make it look more natural. But if you are somebody who didn't want to put the work in and still want to sort of get it away with wearing a unit like this, I feel like you could just mask it by doing a middle part like I did, laying the baby hairs down some to sort of throw attention away from the hairline, and then you should be good to go. So that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. I hope you guys liked it as much as I did. If you did, just give me a like, give me a subscribe, comment down below any of the units you want me to pick up in any other colors, and until then, I hope to see you soon. Bye.